Good morning. Welcome to my channel. December 11, 2020 guys. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Mga muna itong buha ko guys. Itong isip dito. Magaman na lang good. Mahumana ka guys. An advance Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.